This video will show you how to connect a 6 kW hybrid inverter to a 51.2 volts 100 ampere hour lithium battery. The entire system consists of 4 parts: power grid, battery, solar panel, inverter. Step 1. Wiring. Open the battery line inlet at the bottom of the inverter. Insert the battery input cable into the inverter through the inlet. Connect to the positive and negative terminals. After connection, tighten the waterproof cover of the interface. Open the power grid line inlet at the bottom of the inverter. Insert the power grid input cable into the inverter through the inlet. Connect it to L, N, and P. The live wire input needs to be inserted into the CT. Open the output line inlet at the bottom of the inverter. Insert the power grid output cable into the inverter through the inlet. Connect it to L, N, and P of backup. Open the PV inlet at the bottom of the inverter. Insert the PV cable into the inverter through the inlet. Connect it to PV1 Plus and PV1 or PV2 Plus and PV2. Open the communication inlet at the bottom. Insert the cable into the inverter through the inlet. Insert the BMS communication line into the BMS interface. Connect the CT communication line to the meter RS485 quart interface. After connection, tighten the waterproof cover of the interface. Connection completed. Step 2. Startup. Turn on the power grid switch. Press the inverter startup button for 5 seconds. The screen will light up. Turn on the battery switch. Press the battery startup button. Set up the BMS communication for the battery. Click on each section to observe the parameters. Step 3. Shutdown. Press the inverter button for 5 seconds. When you hear a beep, the shutdown is successful.